Hello everyone. So welcome back to another video of auto scaling group. So in the previous video, I discussed theoretically what we are going to achieve, what are the different problems that are being faced, and how we are going to provide solution using auto scaling group, and what goals are achieved. So all this was discussed in the previous video. So in this video, we will log into our AWS console and perform all these steps practically. So before moving in this AWS demo, I'll introduce to these services like AWS EC2 instance, Elastic IP allocation, AMI creation, launch configuration, and auto scaling group, SNS topic, network load balancer, and also we will configure a CloudWatch alarm to kick in the policies. So these are the steps like for creating ESG. So let's log into our AWS console, and before that, let's create a one Linux instance and install web server on that. Then we will create launch configuration for that. So let's log into our AWS console. Let's go to EC2 services. So we are into Mumbai, and in case you want complete details how we are creating web server, you can watch my previous video. So let me quickly create an instance. Let's launch Linux instance, select. We are using T2 micro configuration details. We will place it in our demo AWS VPC that we created before, placing it in public subnet, and the rest we will disable as of now, and we will allocate Elastic IP for this. Add storage, keep it default. Add tags, yes, very important. Department, network. Security group, we will use our existing security group that we created before, public security group, and all these ports are already allowed in this. 80 port for accessing the web server from internet, 22 port for accessing the machines placed in this security group, and 3389 for accessing RDP. Review and launch. Launch, use our existing key pair. Launch instance. View instance. So for the time being, I'll stop the video, pause the video. So until this instance gets ready, I'll resume it. Okay, so in the meantime, our machine is getting ready. I'll show you how we can allocate Elastic IP. I also have shared the practical demonstration in the previous video. So let's quickly allocate IP address, Elastic IP address, so that we can allocate that Elastic IP to our machine and we can access it from our internet. So let's allocate Elastic IP, allocate. Okay, we got our demo Elastic IP. Save. And let's associate this with our machine. So we have a machine is running that we created, web server, associate. So let's go to instances. Let's see if machine is ready. So it's still getting initialized. Okay, so our machine is ready. So we will provide name Linux web server. Save. Okay, guys, our machine is ready now. We have allocated Elastic IP address, that is demo Elastic IP, and I have connected it to the machine. Let's access through PuTTY. So if you want to see how I connected this Linux machine through PuTTY, there is another video. So you can watch that, how to download the key and get the private key out of it, and how we are connecting to it. So I am into Linux instance. Let's get into sudo super user and quickly install the Okay, I am already into sudo. Yeah. So here are some commands. So let's first update our machine. So this will install all necessary updates. Yes. So take some time to download the important updates and updating the machine. So just for information, it's installing the AWS CLI also that can be used. Yeah, that's done. So everything is installed now. So let's install our web server. You can use these commands to install that, and let's quickly do that. Let's start the service. So our server is ready. So let's create our web page. Move this file and create our own index file. So this is a test page on Linux instance as a part of AWS ASG practical demonstration. So if we do this, create the page, restart the service. Okay, so now our machine, our web server is ready. Let's go to instance, copy this, and let's test it. Okay, I have copied our Elastic IP that is allocated to the machine. So let's web test the web page. So that's great. So this is a test page on Linux instance. That's the page that we created on our web server. So our web server is ready. So let's create AMI for this as a part of our demonstration. So we have created instance and launch configuration we will create for it. So let's go to the machine, create AMI for this, AMI actions, select this image and security, create image. Okay, demo ASG. So let's keep everything default, tag, department, network. Okay, create image. So if we go to AMIs, so it is pending. It will get created quickly. Okay, so our AMI is ready. So let's move to next step. Let's create a launch configuration for auto scaling group. Go to launch configuration and create launch configuration. Name LC launch configuration demo ASG. Okay. AMI that we created before, demo ASG. Let's select that. Instance type, we are going to choose free one that is available, T2 micro. T2 micro. That's sufficient for the demonstration. Rest keep default things. Monitoring not enabled. We do not require as of now. Select existing security group or public security group. Okay, and keep here our existing one. KP Mumbai. I acknowledge. Create configuration. Okay, so we have created the launch configuration now. So let's move forward and create auto scaling group.